Welcome to Maria's Kitchen. I am so excited to be here today. I've got a fast show for you today. It's well over 100 degrees and it's going to take 15 minutes. I'm going to go right over the ingredients. Let's get to it. You will need 1 can of Campbell's cream of chicken soup. I'm sorry, you have to get Campbell's. It's the best. We'll need chicken, and I'm using 1 can of chicken. I got this at Costco, but you can feel free to use rotisserie or cook your own chicken and cube it. It'll be fine. Save some of the juice. I've already drained it. You'll need some milk. I'm not sure about how much. I got 3/4 of a cup here. I'll let you know when we're making it. Mortons. We have to have Mortons. This is a very special seasoning. And pepper, of course, and that'll be your choice. I'll be back to get started. Okay, here we go. The very first thing you're going to do is put your pan on. I'm going to have it on a medium, maybe medium low. We are going to put our cream of chicken in to the pan. Now I'm using 1 can, but you know, if you want a lot of gravy, you can use 2, and this is probably going to feed about 4. And I already have my mashed potatoes made, and I'll show you. You'll want to make your mashed potatoes. Some people serve it over rice. I mean, it's going to be up to you, over biscuits, whatever you want to do. The next thing you're going to do is, I've already drained my can of chicken. That's going to be last, but I want to let you know that to save some of the juice, because we're going to use it, that's about 2 tablespoons. Going to put about maybe 2 tablespoons of milk, maybe an 1/8 cup. Let's start stirring and see if we can get this. We want to get this a smooth consistency. It's kind of like a copycat of chicken a la king, I'd say. I'm going to put about an 1/8 teaspoon of pepper in there. That's there, so you can see clearly that it's going to need a little more milk. We want to get this to a smooth consistency, and I'll be right back. I'm going to add a little more of that chicken broth, and it still looks like it needs a little more because I want it to be nice and creamy. So it's looking like it's, yeah, this is, look at this. You're going to see that it's lighter and it's really nice and smooth. I'm going to lower my flame now on a low, and I'm going to add the last seasoning, which is going to be the Mortons. And I love this stuff because it has a lot of good things in it. Just a few dashes. I'm throwing my chicken in, and I've got it there. And now we're going to just want to stir it lightly. Let me get my spoon. Now you're going to want to just stir this around, kind of break up some of the chicken. I love this canned chicken here at Costco. It's very, very good. And you can use any chicken. Look at how beautiful that is. And this is going to go over some mashed potatoes. We're going to let it just heat through just to warm the chicken chunks, and we'll be right back. I went ahead and turned the flame off, and you want to look how nice and beautiful this looks. Look at how smooth and creamy, and it was so fast. So now I'm going to go ahead and scoop the potatoes on here, and I will be doing a recipe for the potatoes. I just did some quick, easy, basic potatoes, and let me see, I'm going to put about 3 scoops. Why not, right? And then you're going to get your chunks of chicken and make sure you share with everybody, and look how beautiful it just flows right over, and you can put as much gravy as you want. I'm going to go ahead and put some of this corn that I have, and I love corn. You can put whatever side you want, green beans, and then we're going to just top it with 2 pieces of bread here. You know what? There's your meal in 15 minutes. How fast was that? I want you to come close and look at this. Look at how beautiful I'm going to take a bite.
In Romans 5:5, hope does not disappoint. We put our hope and our trust in you. You are our helper and our shield. In him our hearts will rejoice, for we trust in his holy name. Surround us with hope in you alone. Those who look to you will be radiant with joy. No shadow of shame will darken their faces. In my desperation, I prayed and cried to the Lord, and he listened. He saved me from all my troubles. He defends all who fear him and surrounds us with angels that guard us. Those who hope in you will not be disappointed. In Isaiah 49:23, let him be true to his word today for you with this awesome and magnificent promise.